1, 2, 3, 4.
What up, guys? It's race day on Enertia here, Raceway. Hi. Man, what's up, man? It's time to do it. Here it is, guys. We got the 4 cars right here that's going to be racing. So, let's see who our drivers are today. You'll find out in a moment. Let's get to this racing. All right. Race day here. As you can see, we got Team Ford here, and who's driving for Ford today is Bloodhound 122. That's right, guys, driving that Ford GT40. Oh yeah. And you wonder who his challenger is? Well, let's just see. Check it out right here. Driving for Pennzoil today, we've got our boy Big Sam Raceway in that 2018 Copa Camaro. That's right. So here you see, guys, this is your 2 challengers for this first race. Gonna go head to head. Whoever wins, the best out of 3 will advance to take on the next challengers. All right, let's get them racked up. What? Masters of Going Faster is our channel they're featuring today. So check them out when you get a chance. This is their latest video, the Matchbox 9-pack. Anyway, let's check it out. Alright, guys, here we go, the GT40 and the Copa Camaro. Oh yeah, here we go. All right. We got Big Charlie's Model Garage driving for AC Delco today in the Dodge Viper SRT ACR. Woohoo! Everything looks ready. He got his team together, pit crew, making sure everything is smooth. Oh yeah. Now let's see the challenger. Oh snap. Check it out. We got Trigger X in his Porsche Panamera Turbo Hybrid Sport Turismo, and he's driving for Interstate Batteries. Oh yeah, with this, like, there's an NFL sponsorship there too. So here you go. Let's see how these guys do. It's gonna be the best out of 3. Oh yeah, here we go. here it is, guys. You got Bloodhound 122 going against Big Charlie's Model Garage. Oh, yeah. This is going to be epic, guys. Yep. First car to win 3 races will be your winner. That's right. They must win 3. All right, let's do it. Whoa, what is this? That's a lot of Jaguars. Alright guys, here we go. The final race. So far, Bloodhound 122 has been dominant. He's won 2 out of 2. Can our boy make it? Can he come up with one? Is it possible to come up with the Dodge? Come on, you can do this, man. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, here we go. Big Charlie just pulled one out. Bloodhound 122 has 2 wins behind his belt. Can we tie it up here? Alright, let's see what kind of driving Big Charlie can do. Here we go. Jags, man. Alright guys, this series is all tied up. Bloodhound against Big Charlie, man. Ford GT against the Dodge Viper. Let's see what's up. Here we go. Whoever takes this takes it all home. Let's go. Guys, here you go. You've got your winner. Riding for AC Delco was Big Charlie's Model Garage. He definitely drove the heck out of that Dodge Viper SRT ACR from coming from behind too, because Bloodhound had him dead to rights. And get a chance, make sure you check out Big Charlie's Model Garage. He has a YouTube channel too, and I'm sure he'd love to see you stop by and say hello. So congratulations, excellent driving. And we also have another award to give out too. And we've got the Golden Poop Award going out to Bloodhound 122 in that beautiful Ford GT40, Trigger Action, the Porsche Panamera Turbo Hybrid Sport Turismo, and Big Sam Raceway, the 18 Corporal Camaro. You guys didn't win, but you should get acknowledged anyway. So here we are, the Golden Poop Award. So anyway, please make sure you guys subscribe. Comment below if you want to be future drivers. Everybody gets to drive, okay? I promise you that. And you guys take it easy. Love, peace, and hair grease. And once again, congratulations to Big Charlie's Model Garage. Alright, you guys take it easy. And check out Masters of Going Faster if you get a chance to. That was my featured channel in the background.